Hey everyone, Chef Ara Zada here, co-author of Lavash, and I'm here to show you a quick trick and tip on how to cut an onion properly. This is a question I get asked a lot. One of the most important things you need to do is start with a very sharp knife. I'm going to show you how to slice one and dice one. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is identify the stem and the top. You want to cut the top off, and then you want to trim it right in half. Okay? Now this is where most people fall short. When you're slicing an onion, you cut off the root and you slice it from the stem to the end, the root to the stem. So you want to just bring your knife straight across and you cut it straight down, curling your fingers in. When you get to the very end, you take to the side, and then you get nice little half-moon slices. When you're dicing the onion, you want to keep that root piece intact right back here. You want to draw some slices straight across, coming about a 1/4 inch to the top, all the way to the top. Same way across 1/4 inch here. And then you come back across this way. And you get nice little dice pieces. Eventually, you'll be able to build speed, keep your fingers intact. There you have it, how to properly cut an onion. Now you have plenty of time on your hands. Hope you have onions laying around. This is a perfect time to get your knife skills in order. I'm Chef Ara Zada, and I hope you learned something today. Stay safe out there.